Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about the political science, the political party section 1. As you all know, in the previous class we have already discussed about the election process. In that we have already completed the meaning, methods, types and functions of the election commission, and at the end the election reforms. Basically there were two important reforms. One is voter identity card, second one is electronic voting machine. In today's class I am going to merge three topics: election, voting behavior and political party. So let's begin this section and let us discuss in detail about what is election, voting behavior, factors influencing the voting behavior, and then at last what is the political party. So as you all know, election is the simple process by which all eligible voters choose their representative for the period of 5 years to hold the public office. The word election is derived from the Latin word elegere, which means to choose or to pick. There are two methods of the election. One is direct and another one is indirect. And there are four types of the election, that is general election, midterm election, by election and re-election. And voting is the one of the oldest process used in the ancient Greece to choose the Roman Empire and Holy Pope. As you all know, in the ancient period there was a kingship, and kingship is the hereditary. After the father, son used to rule the kingdom. Whether the king is wise or good or bad, people used to obey him because they will believe in the concept of divine theory. In the 17th century, the situation changed and people believed in the voting rather than the kingship. And person who has ability to rule the kingdom came to power by the will of the people. And democracy is known for the will of people, and there is a saying that voice of people is voice of God. Now let's see what is the voting. Voting is nothing but a simple process by which people choose their representatives. The word voting is derived from the Latin word votum, which means expression of will or a choice. Earlier, the voting age was 21 years, but after the 61st Amendment in the year 1989, it was reduced to the 18 years. A person who attained 18 years of age has a right to vote without any discrimination of caste, creed, gender, and on economic grounds. And right to vote is a fundamental right. Now let's see what is the voting behavior. It is a study of determines how people will come to conclusion and why people vote. What are the expectation of the people from the candidates? Now, factors which are influencing the voting behavior. Totally, there are 8 factors. I will explain them one by one. First one, caste. Second one, religion. Third one, personality. Fourth one, money. Fifth one, ideology. Sixth one, mass media. Now, these are the factors of the voting behavior. Now, let's see what is the political party. Because election, voting, political party, all these three elements are interdependent. India is the largest democracy. Political parties play an important role in working of the government. As you all know, to form a government, political party is very much necessary and it plays a important role. If government will not work according to the will of the people, then people have full-fledged authority to dethrone that government and form a fresh one in place of that. They create the political party, create political awareness among the voters and help them to get political education. Ever after the election results declares, the majority party forms the government and rest of parties will play the role of the opposition. Now let's see what is the meaning of the political party. There are several meaning for the political party, but I have chosen the easy one. Political party is the group of people for a common purpose. A group of people come together for the common purpose to attain the political power is the political party. And now there are three types of parties. One is single party, means only one party forms the government and rules the government. There is no opposition, that is single party system which is existed in China. Later on, bi-party, two parties come together and form the government, then one will play the role of the opposition and another one forms the government. Bi-party system which was existed in USA. Multi-party system obviously existed in India, wherein number of parties come together and form the government. Now, this is all about the election, voting behavior, and now every on every 25th January, every year, Voters Day was celebrated in everywhere, in every institution, schools, colleges, in order to create awareness among the people about their voting right. They should vote for a right person for the development of the country without having any expectations on the money, or then role of mass media, personality, caste, this, that. They should always think wisely and choose a better person for the betterment of the country. And there are 6 national parties in India, 56 unrecognized party and 2796 unrecognized party. So this is all about election, voting behavior, political party. I hope you have understood the today's section. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the text box and please be free to express your views, and you also can give me feedback on my teaching or any topic which you want to learn from me. I will definitely work on it and make videos, and please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting and informative topics in the upcoming section. See you all tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and take care. And in tomorrow's class, we are going to study in detail about the features of the political party and functions of the political party. You will get a question in the examination basically in the PUC second year and BA. You explain the determinants of the voting behavior. At that time, you have to explain the meaning of the election first and then voting, and you have to write what is the meaning of the voting behavior. Then you have to explain all eight factors which influence the voting behavior. So we'll end this section here. See you all tomorrow. Bye. Take care.